Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I'm here again to do another reaction video to the group Now United. This is a member from the group. She's from Lebanon, and I believe her name is Nour. Nour, N-O-U-R. Hopefully she will say it right in this video so I can pronounce it better next time. Lebanon is also one place too that I really would like to go visit. Come through, Jasmine from Aladdin. Come through with an acoustic.
Nour in Arabic is light. She is really the light in our home. She's our joy. She's a bundle of joy.
Come on, flexibility.
I'm taking my granddaughter.
I always tell her, one day you're gonna make us all proud of you. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look like.
I wasn't surprised. Many people were surprised, but I wasn't. I knew from the start she was gonna be a star. It wasn't a matter of if.
Yes, come on, brother, confidence.
It was a matter of when it will happen.
Oh, me too.
I never doubted it, you know? Like, I felt like this is meant for her.
Come on, best friend. Tonight, with one love.
I'm proud of Nour. When I knew the essence of Now United,
Yes.
I wanted to be part of it even more because so many different people of different cultures coming together to do something that is so pure. Something that everyone loves and brings joy to everyone and spreads positive energy.
Okay.
This is the band I would want to
Come on, Storm and Melanie.
beautiful from this diversity.
Lele. Lele. Oh.
I was a very lucky child. I was born.
I wonder if my mom have any videos of me when I was born in the island of Jamaica.
Through a lot. There were wars. And thankfully, I was surrounded by friends and family. I had a very peaceful childhood.
Yes.
Not everyone was
So family orientated with these groups. So family orientated. See what happens when you have supportive people around you? Success.
And to me and my brothers.
Mm-hmm.
Parents were always pushing us.
Reach for the stars.
I know like every blood, sweat and tear was out of them, and everything I am today is because of them. One of the most important things is to make my parents proud, and if I make them proud, then a big part of my job is done.
Oh.
I was always singing growing up. It's like it comes like from inside me.
Oh.
She's hard-headed. When she wants something, she's gonna work hard for it and she's gonna achieve it. She dedicates a lot of her time to her craft. All this in parallel to her schoolwork. Before getting accepted to Now United, she was a student at the #1 university in the Middle East.
I'm a second year university student. I was studying business and nutrition, double major.
Come through.
An idea came in my mind that let me just start posting videos on my Instagram.
Oh, I've seen her before. So I really have seen these individuals before.
It's gonna happen.
It's just flawless, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah. I mean, I literally couldn't imagine a more beautiful.
They told me that they're holding auditions for a representative.
Talking about auditions, I want to audition. I would like to be in a reality show.
From that, he told me if he gets to know me, he's gonna decide.
I think you're absolutely wonderful, and I think you would be perfect to join the group, and I would like to invite you to be the next member of Now United.
What? Me? It's me? Yeah. You picked me.
I couldn't be happier than to have a beautiful, talented, young Lebanese girl in Now United.
Yes, Lebanese.
And then they run and they hug me, and then my mom starts crying. It was a crazy day. It was like, I'll never forget this day ever in my life.
I don't know a person that does not like Nour.
So many people here know Now United.
Nour. Ooh. Come through, bodies.
Everyone was like shocked.
They're hitting the
My
gym.
friends were calling me. They were like, "Isn't that your cousin?" So now everyone is like really happy that they know me because I'm her cousin.
I'm very happy that Nour is selected, not because she's beautiful only. The world is not only about physical look and the appearance. It's not important. The beauty will fade. What stays is the character, is the way she deals with people.
Come through, whoever that was talking. Beauty fades. Come through.
This is my focus right now. I'm gonna work. I can't say this word. I wanted to say work, but I can't say it. And I'm gonna work so hard. Everything that I imagined Now United would be, it was 10 times bigger. We are all in love.
I'm assuming, I guess.
You have the diversity. By loving Now United, you're loving the world. We might be able to really truly show the true colors of the Middle East.
Come through. That family is coming with quotes in this video.
Aren't always represented, or like they're represented like by the media in like a bad way. So I think it's really good.
Oh, I can't wait to go. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, coronavirus need to go so I could visit these countries.
Vibrant, positive spirit, which is really what Lebanon is about. I'm sure you guys have noticed. We've fallen several times to the ground and we rise up again and again. We always have a positive attitude. We survived it and we're gonna continue surviving.
Yes.
She has always dreamt of doing something very big.
I'm just gonna be myself.
Beautiful view, beautiful view.
And I hope they like me.
Yes.
Nour is very, very close to me. She's not only my daughter, she's my best friend.
Oh, beauty runs in the family.
Everything. Yeah, what were you asking me? I forgot.
I was getting stuck with my music. Nothing was ever done, nothing was ever finished. Lender really gives me exact.
Oh my gosh. So that was Nour, the Lebanese girl who made it to the group Now United. As you guys can see, there was an 8-minute video about her family. I love the fact that most of these selected individual in the group Now United are so family orientated. Their mom and dad, sister, uncle, aunt, friends, you know, encourage them. Look at them now in the group. I'm so excited. Oh my god, thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.